Welcome to the Investors Trading Academy Economic Calendar of the Week. Each week, our news analysts review the upcoming economic events that you should be monitoring during the week. It's one of those rare weeks, few top-shelf indicators for release in the US and holidays dominating in China. But it is a big week for the US Federal Reserve, with an appearance by the chair, minutes of the last policymaking committee, and no fewer than 13 speeches planned by Federal Reserve governors and presidents. The key risk event of the week is likely to be the Wednesday FOMC minutes, what with investors waiting on every word that comes out of Fed officials. The week will see many central bank decisions and reports. The Bank of Japan will issue their policy statement on Tuesday. The bank is not expected to make any broad changes to policy, but it may hint that its time frame for achieving 2% inflation will be tweaked. This will be followed by the Reserve Bank of Australia's interest rate decision. Glenn Stephen is expected to leave rates on hold. On Thursday, traders will get the European Central Bank's monthly report, which should follow Mr. Draghi's comments last week. Later in the day, the Bank of England will meet and no changes or public statement is expected. In other events, traders will see German industrial production data on Tuesday, along with UK industrial and manufacturing production figures. This data is expected to be mixed, with annual industrial production falling 0.84%, while the manufacturing figure is expected to see growth of 4.87%. China has been on vacation for Golden Dragon Week. As traders return to the market, HSBC will release Chinese services PMI. Thursday will bring weekly US job claims. The figure dropped to 287,000 last week, and a fall to 283,000 is forecast this week. Closing out the week, the UK will release trade balance numbers. The gap between the UK's exports and imports is forecast to widen slightly to 3.4 billion, from 3.348 billion last month. In the US session, Canadian unemployment is expected. The jobless rate in Canada is forecast to hold at 7%, with 8,400 jobs added in the month.